Are you wondering if it's the perfect time to buy or sell ACHR Aviation stock? Get ready to dive deep into the world of ACHR Aviation. Our initial report was just the tip of the iceberg. Today, we're bringing you an even more detailed analysis that will leave you informed and ready to take action. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. Missing out on crucial updates could have a huge impact on your investments, so make sure you're always in the know. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our groundbreaking AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Don't miss out on the power of AI to boost your trading success. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Brace yourselves because we have some important news to share about ACHR Aviation. Our system has declared ACHR Aviation a sell candidate since September 18, 2023, with a score of -2.69. But that's not all. Let's dive deeper into the stock's performance during this period. Prepare for a shock because ACHR Aviation experienced a staggering loss of -17.22%. That's right, an average loss of -3.44% per day since it was labeled as a sell candidate. Brace yourself for an exciting prediction. Based on the current 3-month trend, we could see an incredible change of 52.41% in the next 3 months. This means you have the potential to earn a return anywhere between a staggering 52.41% to an astonishing 139.48%. But wait, there's more. The 12-month trend is even more promising. It suggests a mind-blowing change of 100.5% over the next 12 months. That's right, you heard it correctly. You could see a return ranging from a solid 30.4% all the way up to an unbelievable 191.19%. Just imagine the possibilities. And to put it in perspective, the price range after a year could be anywhere between $6.77 to $15.11. Breaking news. Hold on tight as we dive into the latest update on ACHR Aviation. Brace yourself for some shocking numbers. The stock price of ACHR Aviation Inc. plummeted by a staggering -5.81% on Friday, closing at a jaw-dropping $5.19. Let's break it down further. On the 22nd of September 2023, ACHR Aviation Inc. witnessed a downward spiral, experiencing a -5.81% drop from $5.51 to $5.19. Believe it or not, this marks the 6th consecutive day of decline. On that fateful trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $5.14 and a high of $5.60, with a whopping 8.95% difference. Out of the last 10 days, the stock has fallen 8 times, resulting in a massive -23.79% decrease. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased, which is seen as a positive sign. Approximately 112,000 shares were shed, with a total of 7 million shares bought and sold, amounting to a staggering $38.13 million. Now, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Over the past 52 weeks, ACHR Aviation Inc. reached its highest point at $7.49, while hitting its lowest point at $1.62. Currently, the stock price stands at a staggering 30.71%, or $2.30, below the 52-week high. It's also a whopping 67.05%, or $10.56, below its all-time high on February 10, 2021, when it reached an incredible $15.75. Quite a roller coaster ride for ACHR Aviation Inc. Breaking news, Analyst Ratings for ACHR. Get ready for some exciting updates on the latest Analyst Ratings for ACHR. Just in. On Friday, August 11, 2023, Benchmark gave ACHR a buy grade with a hold action. And that's not all. On Tuesday, November 15, 2022, Barclays gave ACHR an equal weight grade with a hold action. Wait, there's more. On Monday, September 12, 2022, Barclays again gave ACHR an equal weight grade with a hold action. Hold on to your seats. On Tuesday, November 30, 2021, Cantor Fitzgerald gave ACHR an overweight grade with an initialize action. Exciting developments indeed. Stay tuned for more analyst ratings updates. Welcome, fellow investors. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of ACHR Aviation stock analysis. Our expert analysts have carefully evaluated ACHR Aviation stock and have some interesting insights to share. Firstly, when it comes to the general rating, the analysts have given ACHR Aviation stock a neutral rating. However, it's important to note that the analysts rate the PE ratio as buy and the price to book as buy. Now, let's talk about the return on investment. Brace yourself, because the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating in this aspect. So, whether you're considering investing in ACHR Aviation or simply curious about its stock performance, stick around to uncover more intriguing details. Hey there, let's dive into the signals for ACHR Aviation, shall we? Currently, there aren't many positive signs on the technical front. Both short and long-term moving averages are indicating sell signals, painting a rather negative outlook for the ACHR Aviation Incorporated stock. In addition, the relation between these two signals suggests a general sell trend, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Keep an eye on the resistance levels at $6.03 and $6.30 in case of any upward corrections. If the stock manages to break through these levels, it could trigger buy signals. On the flip side, a sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 23, 2023, resulting in a significant -28.12% drop. The downtrend may continue until a new bottom pivot emerges. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is also indicating a sell signal at the moment. Interestingly, the volume declined along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk, as volume tends to follow price movements. Welcome, viewers. Get ready to dive into some fascinating signals that will pique your interest. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's indicating a sell signal. Next, we have the pivots, which gave a sell signal 22 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal suggests a buy opportunity that occurred 112 days ago. The short-term moving average also gave a buy signal 8 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is indicating a sell signal that occurred 6 days ago. Now, let's analyze the relation between the short and the long moving averages. It gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average provided a buy signal 8 days ago. As for the long-term moving average, it indicated a buy signal 91 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 81 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more exciting signals and insights. Ready to dive into ACHR Aviation? Let's explore the key factors: support, risk, and stop loss. Picture this: ACHR Aviation Incorporated is supported by a strong accumulation of volume at $5.10. Why is this important? Well, it presents a potential buying opportunity. When this support level is tested, we can expect an upward reaction, meaning the stock may rise. Exciting, right? Now, let's talk about risk. ACHR Aviation is a stock with average movements during the day. But with a good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. So, it's not too risky, but it's not completely safe either. It's all about finding that balance. Want some numbers? Over the last day, the stock had a price range of $0.460, which accounts for a significant 8.95% difference between its highest and lowest points. And if we look at the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 6.25%. Talk about some action. Welcome back, folks. Today, we're going to dive deep into ACHR Aviation, exploring some exciting trading levels. But before we jump in, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures the current share price relative to the per-share earnings of a company. Now, a low P/E ratio can be quite intriguing. It might indicate a low expectation for the company's future or even suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. And here's the latest update. The next earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected on Nov/08/2023. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $0.320. Now, keep a close eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on the stock prices. Hey there, let's dive into some exciting day trading levels for ACHR Aviation. If the market takes an upward turn, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $5.77 for ACHR Aviation. This is a crucial point to consider before entering a position. And if you're already holding the stock, it could be a great opportunity for swing trading. Now, let's talk about the downside. ACHR Aviation encounters its first support level at $5.10. If this support level holds strong, it might just be the perfect entry point for you, with hopes of a rebound on the horizon. Welcome, viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ACHR Aviation and exploring their recent insider trades. But first, let's talk about the combined average rating for ACHR Aviation from multiple analyst sources. Brace yourselves, because it's neutral. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff. Here are some intriguing insider trades. On August 18, 2023, Perkins Tosha made a surprising move by selling a whopping 6,084 shares of Class A common stock. Just a few days later, on August 21, 2023, Perkins Tosha struck again, selling an astonishing 14,112 shares of Class A common stock. Not to be outdone, StockInvest.us joined the insider selling party on August 18, 2023, offloading 10,947 shares of Class A common stock. And the selling spree continued for StockInvest.us on August 21, 2023, with another sale of 11,718 shares of Class A common stock. Lastly, on August 18, 2023, Muniz Thomas Paul made a notable insider move by selling 1,417 shares of Class A common stock. Now, let's crunch some numbers. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, our calculations reveal a negative insider power with a ratio of -41.152. Quite an interesting figure, isn't it? As we wrap up, here's an overview of the overall insider activity. Insiders have purchased a staggering 7,419,587 shares and sold a mind-boggling 18,609,617 shares in the last 100 trades. Talk about a roller coaster ride. Hold on to your seats, because we have some shocking news about this stock. Brace yourself, because we're about to reveal a negative evaluation for this particular stock. And wait, there's more, no stop loss has been set. Are you ready to discover the potential of ACHR Aviation stock? While there are some negative signals, we believe there's still a chance for exciting opportunities. Hold on tight as we delve into the analysis of ACHR Aviation Inc. Our sophisticated systems have detected some undervalued potential in this stock. Now, let's talk about what to expect on Monday, September 25th. Get ready for an opening price of $5.31, with an increase of $0.120. Are you ready to take a leap into the exciting world of trading? Just a quick reminder, though, trading involves risks and it's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. But hey, we're here to help you navigate the market. While we provide valuable information at StockInvest.us, remember that it's ultimately up to you to decide how to invest your hard-earned money. So, let's dive in together and explore the potential opportunities and pitfalls that lie ahead. Get ready for an exhilarating journey. Welcome to our stock analysis. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of trading. We want to know what you think about this stock. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's start a discussion. What's your target for this stock? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Get ready for successful trading and have a fantastic day, courtesy of all of us here at StockInvest.